Hey guys, welcome to CodeGuide. So in this video, we will be learning about command line. So this is a new series. We will be learning about how to use command line. Now, what type of people would it help to? It would help people who are web developers, be it front-end developers, back-end developers, game developers. So basically, and this sort of person who work with his laptop on his job and have to open files and folders. um, and all those things. So basically, when we use Windows, we already get a command line, a Node.js command prompt as well if you have installed Node on your computer. But in this video and in this playlist, we will be using the most popular Linux command line, which is Git Bash. So the very first step that we have to do is to install Git Bash. So how do you install Git Bash? Just write down install Git Bash on your search bar, and then you see the very first link, git downloads, gitscm.com downloads. Just go here to get downloads. Now if you have a Mac OS, then just press Mac OS. If you have the Windows, just press the Windows, or if you have the Linux or Unix, then just press that relative option. I have Windows, so I will click on Windows. Now if you have a 64-bit get Windows setup, then go for 64-bit, or if you're 34-bit, then go for 34-bit. I have already installed my 64-bit, so I wouldn't be doing that. But what you have to do is you just have to click on 64-bit if you have the 64-bit version Windows, and then save it anywhere that you want. I'll just save it on desktop, so it will take a minute or so. And as soon as it like finishes, we will be opening it, and then you just have to press next, and then just it will install automatically. And after it gets installed, you will have an option on your menu named bash, which is git bash, and after that you will be opening it. So it will open. I will just cancel it because I have already done all this procedure. Now what you have to do is you have just open git bash, which we'll be doing in our next videos. Thank you guys. I hope you understood how to install git bash. If you are new to my videos, then like, share and subscribe, and just wait for my next video. We'll be learning how to use git bash from basics. So thank you.